IBM CEO Arvind Krishna just announced in an interview with Bloomberg that they're starting to look into replacing people with AI in the next 5 years or so, stating that AI could replace up to 7,800 jobs. Now, as a software developer, how worried should you be? Are they targeting jobs in the tech side of things, or is it just a regular jobs that are being targeted? I'll get into it in this video and what I think you should expect in the coming years as a software developer or someone interested in breaking into the industry. So Arvind goes on to say that there are roughly 26,000 non-customer facing roles in IBM, and he expects those to be replaced, including some human resources jobs. Which kind of made me think, like, what does he mean by non-customer facing? Like, I don't technically face the customer as a front-end developer. Would I be replaced? I needed to find the answers, so I dug in a little bit deeper. In an interview with Fox News, he actually goes on to say that he expects more clerical type of jobs to be replaced by AI over the next 5 years. But he also says this.
It's not as simple as jobs go away. The number of jobs, though, perhaps in customer care, in coding, in business process, in developing artificial intelligence, is going to increase so much that the net increase is going to be positive while there's a movement from one area to the other. And that, by the way, has been the nature of technology for 250 years. But it takes away in some areas, but gives better in others.
So there you go. If you're not going to listen to me, then listen to the CEO of IBM. Coding is not going anywhere, and he basically agrees with what I said in my last video. Innovation breeds new opportunity. You may not be doing the same jobs in the next 5 years, but with the brand new skills you equip yourself with, you'll definitely have more opportunity in the future than you do now. But let's keep going. The news doesn't stop there. Along with IBM's big news, there was also another company that was heavily impacted by the recent AI explosion. That company is actually one that I've heavily used in my time as an engineering student. They help you with exam prep, give you answers to common textbook solutions, and provide mentors for any subject you can think of. If you haven't figured it out yet, the company is called Chegg. They've recently been all over the news as their stocks plummeted almost 50%. And you're probably wondering why. Well, let's review for a second. Exam prep, textbook solutions, a mentor. Isn't that all things ChatGPT can provide for free? Exactly. They've also been heavily impacted by this AI revolution as more and more students are preferring to use ChatGPT for help instead of paying for a service like Chegg. So more and more news is coming out really showing how disruptive AI is being and how worse it's just going to get. Okay, now as a developer, what do you need to do right now? I need you to go over to the OpenAI website and play around with the OpenAI API. Whether you know Python or JavaScript, there's a package available for you to play with. Try to maybe recreate a ChatGPT clone and design your own chatbot, or create something similar to Midjourney, where the user can input a prompt and it'll output an image based on the description that you give it. If you want a tutorial on either one of these tasks, please leave a comment below and I'll definitely get that for you guys. All I want to stress is to keep on top of these AI development. This channel is strictly for creating new self-taught developers, and now we're starting to see that staying on top of AI is crucial for the future. So please hit that subscribe button so you can stay informed, and please check out some of my other videos for more insight into this AI business. See you guys next time.